Good morning, squirrely world. So pretty show. Came out here to check on my reflections. Make sure it's getting sun. But look what I found. Can you see them? This is one of those cicadas. See them? Uh-oh, I just dropped my mirror. They're really special, I think. We've been getting them here for years. Many, many years. I've got videos about these guys. They start as these little white grub worms. And then... hold on. And then... you turn into these things. Yeah. Oh, there's a squirrel on my porch. Hold on. Oh, check on the fellas. And this little fella. Neat. Alright. Yesterday we were finding a bunch of them around here. I still gotta post it. The birds come out here too, and they eat them when they find them. Right here, I found you one. See that? See how it's split open in the back? See? The little white grub turns into this. And it climbs out and it attaches onto something. And then within that 4th of July, not 4th, I said 4th, then they turn into that. Pretty cool. And I heard that it takes them 17 years to do this. But that, I don't know if that is true. It's not that you hear them buzz that often. But, yeah, because we hear these guys every year. He's not dead, is he? No, he's most certainly not dead. Okay, but I don't want nothing sneaking in here. So, there. Okay. That pumpkin ain't doing so good, is it? We'll see if the mirror gives it extra sun and it helps. We'll see. There's my cicada. I've been finding these little guys for years and years and years, and I love them. I just love them. They're special to me.